Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by gathering 2 slices of bread, 1 ripe but firm banana, 1 tablespoon peanut butter, a knife, and a plate. Once ready, lay the bread flat and scoop the PB. Spread evenly to the edges to create a moisture barrier. The why: an even layer prevents soggy bread and balances flavor. Make sure to use a steady pressure when spreading so the bread holds together. Once done, set the prepared slice to the side and move to slicing the banana for the next step. You now slice the banana into 1/4-inch rounds or lengthwise, halves depending on texture preference. Thinner rounds spread flavor, lengthwise halves give heft. Once done, layer the banana pieces across the peanut buttered slice in a single even row so each bite has banana and PB. Make sure to leave a small 1/4-inch border so the other bread seals properly. If you want contrast, drizzle 1 teaspoon honey or sprinkle a pinch of cinnamon. Those additions enhance sweetness and aroma without overpowering the peanut butter. You finish by placing the second slice of bread on top and pressing gently to bind the layers, then cut diagonally or straight down the middle for neat servings. Once done, serve immediately for fresh texture or toast the assembled sandwich for 1 to 2 minutes if you prefer warm, slightly melty PB. If things go wrong, say peanut butter is too runny, chill it briefly or use a thicker PB. If bananas make bread soggy, pat slices dry or choose a firmer banana to maintain.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.